Hi, my name is Robert. Please read the comments in the About section of this video. It has valuable information and updates. My YouTube channel has a disclaimer video that I encourage you to watch. And please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you found what you're looking for. Thank you very much for watching. I have enjoyed this light. One of my supporters gave me this light probably 3-4 years ago. When real bright light, you could put it on a tripod right there. You could use it to charge other devices, and about a year ago it just quit wanting to take a charge, and now it doesn't take a charge at all. So I took some screws out of it. I got them screwed in now. I think they're T15s. Let me remove these 4 screws and show you what's going on in here. So I take a T15 screwdriver, unscrew these 4 screws, and I was able to lift this up nice and easy. And when I got in here, this is all I seen. The little micro mini charging port, USB port, and these lights here that light up as it charges, the button to cut it off and on. I guess this is the light panel, and this is where this battery was. So this battery had wax on it, kind of the craft wax people use. So I pulled it out, peeled it off, and found these numbers on there, and I put those numbers in a search. You could do search Amazon, eBay, whatever you prefer, and it came up with a battery. Now this panel light, I can replace this thing with the tripod hole. I think something just as nice to charge other items. Man, that thing was like 30 bucks. So I jumped on Amazon and found one. Let me show you what it was on Amazon. So here it is on Amazon, free delivery if you got Prime, and that's what I did. So about half price, you can get a battery to replace it with. And here it is, arrived today, all sealed up in an approved package. Let's get it open, put this insulation foam around it, and see if it'll plug in. Just try to make sure you get the same connector on the end. Looks like the same exact connector. So let's see if we can get it to plug in. Now be careful plugging it in. I actually felt one of these wires felt like they moved in the connector. So you plug it in, don't push it too hard. You don't want to break the solder down there. When it was plugging in, I seen a light flicker over here. So maybe that means something is working. I'm gonna put it in here this way. Doot, 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 doot. Don't remember how I got it out of there, which I don't know, may be bad, but it came out of there one way. Pay attention to how you get it out of there. So you could test it and then put it back together. It's only 4 screws, but let's see. Push the button once. We got all lights, so it's already charged up. I think at this setting, you can actually charge things in it. I don't see any light on. Push it again. Oh, yes, the light's working now. The light dimmed down. The light's flashing. It's flashing faster. All right, that's probably all of its functions. So let me see if I can get this backing back on, but these handles come out of those 2 channels. So make sure your handle's in right. And put your back on. That doesn't quite fit. That thing has to go that way. I believe this is the way it goes in here. I'm gonna have to massage that end correctly and put the screws in. I decided to fit the battery in up like that, and I noticed these screws have little grommets on there to stop them from falling out. So let's go ahead and tuck the wire in the top piece up there and then try to screw it together. Went together a lot easier after tucking that battery up in the top like that. Now, one thing I did notice is my switch is damaged. Plastic is broken. Something I could put some kind of tape over or something to safeguard that. Try to waterproof it. There I have it. Add it back together. Need to clean it up. My little handle still works. Still have my way to plug it in, and nice and bright. We're back in business. When it dies, I'm gonna try to charge it up. I'll let you know if I have any charging issues. If you made it this far, I trust that you found some information that was either useful or entertaining, so go ahead and hit the like button. And if you would like notification of future videos that I post, please subscribe to the channel. I appreciate your support. You can follow me on other social media apps by looking for @RobertDIY. Some form of that should bring up the other channels that I have on places like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and so forth. If for some reason you need some more personal help, go to my website at robertdiy.com and use the phone number that I have posted there to send me a text message, or you can email me. If you have questions or comments, please make a comment below. And if you'd like to make some kind of financial contribution to what I got going on here, go to my channel and hit the more link at the end of the introduction statement, and it'll show you different ways that you can support me financially. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.